welcome to the Metals Investment Forum. It's my great pleasure to invite the Kodiak Copper back. Claudia Tornquist, CEO, welcome.
Great to be here. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah, you have some fantastic drilling results last year, and this year I heard you're going to use some new technology to help you to identify new exciting target. Can you tell us?
Yes, that's correct. So we have drilled a big program last year with the view to test more targets. We tested 5 targets out of 24 we have on the property, and are now just preparing for another drill program this year to again extend mineralization, make our project bigger or demonstrate its size. And we have just started with using AI technology for drill targeting, have some initial results, which our team is very impressed with, and that will help us generate drill targets. And I truly believe AI will make a big difference to exploration in general, because exploration is all about lots of data and finding anomalies and patterns in it, and much more than a human mind can really process. And it's very clear to see how AI can help significantly and just really accelerate exploration, target generation, and make it much more efficient and effective.
Wow, excellent, excellent. Tell me, I'm very intrigued that AI is the way for the future. So how does AI help you to identify the target? Do you give them some historical data or what you have, and they tell you where to drill, or what to look?
It's not quite that simple. It's an iterative process. So we fed our project data, all our geophysical sampling, all the data into the AI software, which then predicted the areas of the highest probability of mineralization. Now, we are fortunate in that we have drilled already, so we could match or could look where these areas, actually the areas where we found mineralization drilling, and there was very much of a correlation.
Whoa.
So we were very impressed by that. The software also matched some of the targets we have already and identified those as targets, and in addition gave us a whole lot of new targets or areas for expanding mineralization.
Whoa.
And those now our geologists look at, compare with our data, and look at why has this been identified as a target. And so we are vetting those and prioritizing drill targets.
Wow.
So it will really accelerate our work.
Oh, that's excellent. So do you outsource AI to a company, or you buy the software, or how do you get AI in-house?
We are working with Verify AI. We've officially launched this product at PDAC, and we are one of the first clients to work with them. And this technology, actually, I thought that was interesting, came out of the Integra Gold Rush Challenge in 2018, which you might remember. There was a challenge where you could win $1 million if you were able to find mineralization. And the team behind this AI software was the team that won at the time. Since then, they have developed it further, and so now it's on the market and available to exploration companies such as ourselves.
Oh, that's excellent. That could change the landscape forever. So do you see the AI is good finding gold or copper or anything, or is there any strengths or weakness, or maybe not weakness, where the AI is good at so far?
Well, I can certainly say that on the copper porphyry side, we were impressed with the initial results, and will be using the software for this year's drill program. And it is not specific for a certain commodity or deposit style. So it will also be used, I am sure, for other deposit types and other commodities.
Oh, excellent, excellent. So tell us, what's your plan for this year? How many targets? You have a lot of targets from AI, you're vetting them. So how many targets you plan to hit? Or, of course, it depends on, many other factors.
Yeah, well, we are in the process of planning our program, so we haven't finalized that work yet. What we know is that we will drill several targets. because our aim is to continue generating critical mass and really demonstrating the scope and the scale of the porphyry system at MPD.
All right, excellent. Well, good luck with the drilling this year. I remember, as I said at the presentation, I remember 2020 when you hit that hole, your stock tenfolded. It's a very happy shareholder, including myself. Hope you repeat that again.
Yeah.
Can you, and just for the new investor, tell us maybe your management team, the history, and your background?
Yep. Well, Kodiak was founded by Chris Taylor, who also founded our sister company, Great Bear. And Chris is a very important part of our success. He's a very creative, out-of-the-box thinking geologist. And that's what made Great Bear, or was a big part of Great Bear's success. And same applies to Kodiak. And Chris really covers the technical side. And myself, I'm more the business side of things. My background is in business evaluation, development, and so I cover the business side, and we're very complementary in what we bring to the company.
Wow, excellent, excellent. So, how long? I know you start trading. That's 2020. How long you been owning this project for? I don't know exactly the time. You can tell us a little bit about the history of this project.
Well, we acquired MPD in 2019. Sorry, late in 2018, actually. Started working it in 2019. Made our discovery, the gate zone, right in our maiden drill program. Announced that in 2020. And then spent 2 years really drilling out the gate zone to show what it is, i.e. a big high-grade porphyry center. And then last year was an exciting year because our aim was to demonstrate that MPD is not just the gate zone, but that we have significant mineralization at other targets. And we were successful to demonstrate. We have now drill tested several mineralized zones of kilometer scale. And yeah, so are a big step further and have really advanced the project. And will continue to prove its size and its scope this year.
Wow, excellent. Well, certainly this have a potential to become next Great Bear. So, well, as a shareholder, we all hope your success this year in drilling and hit a big one for us.
Thank you.
All right, good luck.